Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, today is Friday and we'll take a look again at the Canadian dollar because on euro currency we could talk on the weekend. Currently still it hasn't given us any nice trading setup, so anyway it's not really very interesting to take a look at the short-term euro currency chart. So that's why it's probably the subject of the weekly research. Meantime, on the Canadian dollar, we see the progress that we have discussed yesterday. So market indeed has turned to retracement. It was expected. As we said yesterday, Canadian dollar has really great relation with the crude oil. Take a look at the Brent crude oil chart, this daily chart. As market has hit minor 618 extension of this A, B, C top, D pattern, so its minor target has been hit. Market has shown some minor reaction on this level. At the same time, we've got two bearish grabbers. So these two patterns stand side by side, and both of them suggest at least it's taken out of these lows. But as you can see, if market will take it out of these lows, then probably we should complete this ABCD pattern. And its target is 44.25 by the crude oil chart. This gives us some background for expectation of the same action on the Canadian dollar. So as crude oil will start to fall, Canadian dollar also should start to fall in terms of the Canadian dollar itself, but not in terms of the chart. On the charts, the line should come higher, should move to the upside. But meantime, as you can see, as we said, market stands at the overbought on the daily chart and very close to the monthly period resistance one. It hasn't quite reached it yesterday and has turned to retracement even earlier before it has hit it. But this has happened mostly due to the completion of the inner on the 4-hour time frame chart A, B, C bottom, D pattern. So this was AB equals CD pattern. It's been completed and retracement has started. Speaking on the potential target of this upward direction, we have estimated that the first destination point should be somewhere around 133.80 area, because that will be the 127 extension of the bottom line, and 100% extension of this initial A, B, C bottom, D pattern. So you can see that the CD leg is very choppy and mostly looks like the consolidation, but extension is still valid. Sometimes it happens that market reaches it after such kind of action, so it's not really, you could see, very rare on the market. So that's why currently we are mostly watching for, today we will discuss the potential depth of this retracement and how market could turn in the opposite direction again. So this probably will happen already on the next week, because hardly today will happen something real drastic. On the 4-hour time frame chart, you could see precisely this ABCD pattern that we have discussed in two levels that we will be watching for. First one, as we have said, 31.10 area. Next one is 30.45 confluence support approximately. As you can see, 30.33, 30.54 area. Probably market should not show deeper retracement because, as you can see, we have the CD acceleration here on the CD leg. In these circumstances, market usually, when it shows some acceleration, usually shows not as deep retracement as it could. For example, if you have the equal slope of the AB CD leg, or even if CD leg is lower, it's a bit more flat than the AB. In this case, retracement could be deeper. That's why I think that these levels should be enough. Personally, I think that this level is more probable to see, mostly due to the pattern that is forming on our hourly chart. So if you'll take a look at the hourly chart, you could see different lines. So the blue lines are the lines that we have discussed yesterday. I intentionally keep it on the chart just to you could recall what we have said yesterday. Yesterday we said that market is forming wedge pattern, rising wedge, and simultaneously completes the free drive pattern, free drive sales, 1618 free drive sale. Because if you can see first drive here, second drive stands at 1618 extension of the first, extension from that swing. Third drive stands at 1618 extension of the second. And that was the final point inside of the wedge. Market just collapsed, reached the target of the free drive, now shows minor retracement up. As you can see here, market is taking the shape of some kind of the hand shoulders pattern. So that could become the left shoulder. Now I will delete unnecessary lines. So we have discussed this already. We do not need them anymore. So here you could clearly see the possible head and shoulders pattern. As you can see, the head stands at 1618 of the shoulder because this is the second drive and that's the 618 target. Top is nicely looking evening star pattern. As you can see, candlestick pattern. It's very nice. Anyway, if your scalp trader has taken the position, short position based on these patterns that we have discussed, it's a very good trade. Now about the target. So you can see market could show either A, B, C, top, D pattern. This could be 3068 as target if the market will indeed turn down right from this point. Or if we will use the classical approach to the estimation of the target of the head and shoulders pattern. Let's calculate it. It shows 3020 area. So anyway, it's probably final destination will be somewhere around the 3060, somewhere around confidence support. Probably market could reach this level. That's why we'll be watching for this possible downward continuation based on this pattern in today's session. And upward reversal should happen, if it will happen, of course, probably already in the next week, because today's trading session will be dedicated to this continuation with this hourly and shoulders pattern. So let's keep an eye on the development of the situation, because patterns that now are forming on the Canadian looks very nice. It's overall clear setup. It's also supported by the crude oil behavior, so that's why it's probably could be interesting in the nearest time.